Hey, what's up guys, someone's here today and I got another vinyl unboxing today. I got this almost a year ago but I never unsealed it and I thought I'd unseal it for you guys today. And yeah, let's get straight into the video, let's go. So the reason why I never unboxed it, unwrapped it is because I thought this would be really rare, but I don't think it is going to be really rare. Yeah, I'm just going to unseal it now and yeah. Let's go. I can't wait to see the clear vinyl though. Crystal clear vinyl. 75th anniversary of Atlantic Records. Come on. It's nearly there. There we go. I want to see the ultra clear crystal vinyl. What's that? Ooh, that looks nice. That does look nice. Oh, that, yeah. Definitely looks really nice. The ultra clear multiply vinyl right here, which just looks amazing. And yeah, and let me see side B and C as well. I do love Afire Love on the multiply vinyl, so yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, so good. Come on, get back in. It's not getting back in. So yeah guys, if you guys enjoy that little quick unboxing, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.